Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with ShipStation. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. If you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com and this is going to open up this homepage. From here we can get started setting up our WooCommerce store if you have not already. So if you do not already have it set up, go into the plugin section here, right here at the left side of the screen, and from here you can go ahead and find the plugins you need to use for setting up WooCommerce. You have your WooCommerce subscriptions and all the rest of it that you can find right here. So once you've set up your store, now we can go ahead and integrate it with ShipStation. So what you're going to do is now go to WooCommerce.com right here to the official website and open up the extensions menu. From the extensions marketplace, we can get started searching for all the extensions that we can use for our WooCommerce store, and we are going to use the search bar right here and search for ship and find the ShipStation extension that you can see right here. So this is what you can go ahead and open up, and this is going to enable you to ship your WooCommerce orders with confidence, save on top carriers, and automate your processes with ShipStation. This is going to enable you to integrate those two platforms, so just click add to store, purchase it if needed. If not, just go ahead and install it, and after that it's going to enable you to follow the rest of the steps to find all the info and integrate this with your store that you have set up right here on WordPress or wherever else, and combine those two platforms, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.